What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to your dance tutorial for After Hours by Kehlani. If you want to see a preview of the dance, click right over here and see it on shorts. And if you did that already, let's get into it. So we're going to start on the and count. I'm going to lift my left leg up. Hands are going to open up like this. I'm going to go and 1, twist the front leg, and 2, I step forward a little bit from here, and 3, I tap that leg, then come up, and 4. From here, I'm just releasing off. Ooh. Then I come down like a motorcycle, hit, step. Then from here, use that left leg, push it forward, hands open up, push back and rebound. Okay? What did I just do? Let's go a little slower. We said 5, 6, 7, 8, and step. Twist, step, tap, tap, and groove. I'ma hit the gas. Boom. That's going to be the lyrics there, okay? Let me show you that from the back real quick. So, we said, step, twist, twist, tap, tap, and smooth. Boom, and hit. Okay? Let's do that one more time, straightforward. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and we don't gotta take it slow. I'ma hit the gas. Boom. For all the dance hall heads, you know I did that. After we hit gas, back, I'm gonna step forward on the right leg first. Point, point, step back, back. One more time. Groove, groove, mouth, back. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then from here, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna just throw my hands down, but you can freestyle with the hands a little bit. But I'm going to go back, twist, twist, wipe, step. One more time. I go twist, twist, wipe, step. Okay? So let's connect it from here. We said gas if you're ready to go. Bass, bass, sweat. Okay? So you're just flicking your hand there on the sweat. Now, after I step back on this leg, this left leg, I'm going to brace myself on this right leg, open up my legs like this. 1, then quick, quick. One more time, it goes slow, quick, quick. Okay, so let's connect that one more time. We said hit, forward, back it up. Go step, step, sweat. Go slow, quick, quick. All right, let's connect all that from the top nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we don't gotta take it slow. I'ma hit the gas if you're ready to go. Ta, ta, sweat, close, shot, shot. Okay, now from here, you're gonna step this right leg in. You're gonna go bass, bass, neck. Okay, you're gonna hear that in the music there. It goes like a boom, boom, neck. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna step out with the right leg nice and slow, pointing towards the front. Boom. And then go down nice and low. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so that rhythm there, we're gonna go hit, hit, neck, slow, finish off the beat there. Okay? Now, from this part, we're going to go into the chorus. From here, I'm going to use my right hand, stepping forward on both my legs. I'm hopping forward. Then I go back on the right leg. Right, left, right. Okay? So this is going to be on I want to make magic. Okay? Then from here, you go into the next move. You're going to kick this right leg out. You're gonna kick, kick, cross, step. One more time. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then from here, I'm gonna step on that right leg. I'm gonna grab my chest here, grab my chest here, both hands, then my hips. Okay, one more time. So I'm gonna go grab, grab, hit, hit. Nice. From here, I'm going to grab my hands forward. Boom. And my hands kind of do like this motion where it's like, I don't know what to call that, but it's like magic. All right? So I go hit, hit, ba, ba, boom. Stop. Okay, let's connect it from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Okay, before we move on, let's connect everything nice and slow from the top so you can feel the flow of that, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't gotta take it slow. I'ma hit the gas if you're ready to go. Back, back, sweat. Ha. Quick, quick, ha, ha, neck. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Ha. Step. Boom. Good. Practice that a few times if you're still trying to get it, but let's move on, okay? So, from here, I'm gonna step with this left leg, kicking it out, and kind of like throw my hands out. It's gonna go kick, ball, change. Notice how my hands come out when the right leg lands, okay? So I'm going kick, ball, change. Then I'm gonna initiate this right hand to hit this right leg. Boom, and that initiates my hips. And it goes up. I love this groove. Jeez, okay? So I go kick, ball, change, boom. Then from here, stepping on that right leg, I'm gonna throw my hands up. I'm gonna go free, free, but then this last one, I'm gonna step my left leg back. Then I'm gonna use my right hand, almost like it's controlling my knee. This left hand's gonna stay in the air. And I'm gonna go around like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? And that's bringing us to the end of the dance. So let's try it one more time. So I said from here, boom, ha, ha, ha. Kick, kick, cross, and hit, hit, ba, ba. New part. Kick, ball, change, groove, ha, ha. Then throw, throw, step back, groove, and finish off that move right there. Hey, all right, let's try everything nice and slow, and then we'll go tempo, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we don't gotta take it slow. I'ma hit the gas if you're ready to go. Back, back, sweat, close, ha, ha, way you touch my neck. Ba, low, here we go. Magic, feel me, ha, grab, steal. If you want it, you can have it. I want you to free me. I'm a, hey. Okay, let's try it tempo now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and do 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 do. Dee 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 hoo. Ga ba ba hoo. Dee sha sha goo goo goo. Slow, quick. Here we go. Ba hoo goo. Ta. Boom. Keep, keep, keep. Ha. Free. We step it back and lock it down. Lock it down. Lock it down. All right, that's it. Now head back to this video and try with the music and tag me in it if you do it so I can check it out. All right? And if you want to learn another tutorial, just click over here for the playlist. You can learn a bunch of different songs here. Shout out Brew Brew for co-choreographing this with me. Peace.